In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shopify store. Whether you're managing your online business daily or signing in for the very first time, this quick guide will walk you through the login process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Next, Shopify will ask for your account details. Enter the email address connected to your Shopify store. Make sure you type it correctly so Shopify can identify your account properly. After entering your email, click Continue with Email to move to the next step. If your Shopify account is linked with Google, you may also have the option to continue using your Google account for faster access. Now, enter your password carefully. Since passwords are case sensitive, double check for typing errors before proceeding. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click Login and Shopify will take you directly to your admin dashboard. This dashboard is the control center of your store where you can manage products, orders, customers, themes, payments, shipping, and everything related to your online business. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, Shopify may ask you to select the specific store you want to access. Simply choose the correct store from the list. In some cases, Shopify might request two-factor authentication for additional security. If enabled, enter the verification code sent to your authenticator app, email, or mobile device to complete the login process. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Shopify store. Before wrapping up, always make sure you're signing in through the official Shopify website to keep your account secure. Avoid sharing your login credentials with anyone and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Thanks for watching.